calling from, brother?
Sir, I am from Odisha.
Udia.
Ji, sir.
Yes, yes. Yes, brother. Tell me, what can I do for you?
Sir, first I want to like ask, how are you, sir?
I am fit as fiddle. I'm fantastic. I'm full of beans. I'm out of the world. I'm excellent.
Okay, sir.
That you tell me what's going on.
Now I am sitting on your shop. Now I am outside from home, sir.
Outside from home. Yeah.
Yeah.
What you do? I would like to introduce yourselves to me, sir. Like,
Yes, sir.
yeah, please.
My name is Oju. My name is Oju Turu, and I am from Odisha. I belongs to in Moyurbhanj district. Have you heard
No, I have
Moyurbhanj?
no idea. No, no, brother. I have no idea.
Yeah. Yeah, I am belongs to Moyurbhanj district, and I'm from tribal family.
Tribal. What
Yes, sir.
tribal? What tribe? Which tribe?
Santali,
Sampali.
Santali,
Samtali.
Santal. Yes, sir.
Samtali tribe. Samtali tribe.
Yeah. Basically, Santali tribe are living in hilly region, sir.
Yes, yes, I see.
Yeah. I
Mm-hmm.
am belongs. I am belongs to also.
Mashallah, mashallah. That's fantastic, sir. That's fun. And what you do, sir? What you do, Mr. Ajju?
Uh, I have completed MSc from Odisha University this year, sir.
Master in science.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then, what's
Then
your plan?
now, sir. Now it's in this pandemic situation. I am at a home.
Yeah, I
I am preparing for government job.
yeah. What kind of a job, government job, are you preparing for?
So like railway, SSC,
Uh-huh.
and banking, like that type of stuff.
Okay, so you have no determination which sector you really want to go. So any job, you need only a government job,
Any job. Right now, I am focused on railway job, sir.
railway job.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what if you are not eligible for in a railway job? What are you gonna do then?
Actually, sir, mm, I have not attended till now, but
Yeah.
right now, I am preparing for job
Yes.
through online study, sir.
Yes. 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 I see. I see. Okay. Why government job, brother? Why government job? Tell me the reason. Why?
Actually, sir, that's not special, not special, but first I will try for government job because my parents, my my friends like government job, sir.
Your parents like government job. You don't like. Or what's you tell me about yourself. What's your opinion? What's your way of thinking? What you want to be in your life? Or your parents will decide what you want to be in your life. Who will
Yes,
decide?
sir.
You or
Me also, sir. Me also. I am also trying as a government job holder.
yes, yes, I see. That's because of in my place, like I'll give you my example that nobody ready to give me a girl because I'm a auto driver, and
Yeah.
most of the people are looking for a government job holder, so their jobs are secure. So our girl, if I got married to my daughter to the government job holder person, so me, like my daughter is secure, like in a government jobs are secure, so my daughter will be stay happily. That's going on here. So might be you and your parents will think that a government job is secure. That's the reason that looking for a government job, most of the people. What do you think about that?
Actually, every people thinks the government job has a limit to work.
Mm-hmm.
In the government job has a definitely one in time interval job.
Yeah.
But in private sector, it take
Mhm.
also more time for job
Yeah.
job
Mm-hmm.
duration, sir.
Yeah.
That's why I like to like government job, sir.
Yeah, that's good. But what if you want, like if you are not eligible, they are not people won't choose you. You are not eligible for a job, a railway job. Then what you gonna do then? What you gonna do after? What's your plan after that?
Okay, if I'm not eligible, then I will I will join any private job sector, sir.
Any private job sector. So you haven't
Okay, sir.
decided yet anything. You haven't decided anything.
Yeah, sir.
Okay,
And
what's your
sir,
dream in your life? Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
you are my sir great inspiration, sir. Actually, actually, sir, I am a beginner.
Mm,
You, I had started my learning in lockdown
yeah,
during lockdown time.
during lockdown.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So what's your purpose to learning English? What's your purpose?
Sir, you know English is the all world in international language.
Yeah,
Nowadays English is used in every sector, sir.
yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
That's why you are learning English. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. What's your dream? What you want to be like? What's your hobby, brother? What's your hobbies?
Actually, in right now, learning is my best hobby, sir. Right
Yeah.
now, but also
Which
in
what,
free
what
time,
yeah, tell me. Free time?
in free time, in evening at 5 o'clock, I go play football, sir. I love
Yeah.
football.
You love football. And what else, brother? What else? What else? Other activity?
And other in daytime,
Yeah.
I am reading. I'm reading any content of railway job
Yeah.
through online application, sir.
Through online application. So
Yes, sir.
what kind of a designation you are looking for in a railway job? What designation?
Actually, I have not sure any sector in official. I am preparing for especially official level job, sir.
Yeah, there is so many officer level job, but you might know anything like what kind of a officer, ticket collector, or there are lots of a job, officer kind of a job. What kind of a job you are looking for, or what kind of a designation you are applying for? Do you know anything about that?
In the in previous year, applied for Group D and NTPC, sir. Group D.
What is what is Group D in NTPC?
Group D means it's a lawyer. It's a lawyer post job, sir.
Yeah.
But
Hmm.
actually, sir, I have no idea about detail about Group D. But
Hmm. Anyway, Aju, don't you worry. But you should prepare what you are trying to do something. If you want to apply something, you should know. You should fully aware of what you are looking for, what you are trying to do in your life, what you are applying for. At least you must know that what are you applying for. At least you
yes,
must,
yes, Yes,
The interview
yes,
will
sir.
ask you lots of a question related to this query. Interviewer will ask you lots of a question. That's you
actually,
don't know
actually,
anything about that.
actually, sir, I have no, I have knew that, but um, I cannot express in front of you, sir.
Well, I am not interviewer. I am your brother. I'm your brother. Assume like me as a brother, brother. Don't hesitate. This is the time to build the confidence. This is the time to build the confidence, brother.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
be nervous.
It's my first time, sir.
Well,
With
this is the first and last chance, brother. Think like that. Don't be nervous at all. Anytime, anywhere. Don't be nervous. As
okay,
much
sir.
as you know, talk. Keep talk. As much as you know. But don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Nobody will kill you, brother. Nobody will kill you. This is only an interview. This is
Yes, sir.
only an interview, brother.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing. Look, if you are preparing for something, you must know very well. You must fully aware of it. What are you what which stuff or what are you going to apply for the you know very well.
Yes, sir.
Collect the
I
information from there are lots of sources. Collect the information first of all, and then go for an interview.
yes, sir. I have also knew, sir. Knew about that government job.
Yes, yes. Anyway, best of luck, brother. Best of luck. May God bless you. Inshallah, God bless you.